Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a Fidelity bond online. First, you'll need to determine the specific bond amount required for your business, often based on your industry or client contracts. Next, gather all necessary business details, including your legal name, address, and tax identification number, along with personal information for key individuals. Finally, choose a reliable online provider that specializes in surety bonds to begin the application process. Once you've selected a provider, navigate to their online application portal. Carefully fill out all sections, ensuring accuracy for your company's legal name, address, and financial details. You'll also specify the bond type, such as an ERISA bond, and the desired coverage amount. Double-check all entries before proceeding to avoid delays in processing your application. After submitting your application, it enters the underwriting phase. The bond provider will assess your business's financial stability and risk profile. Be prepared to quickly provide any additional documents or clarifications they request, as this speeds up the approval process. Once approved, you will receive an offer detailing the bond premium and terms, which you can then accept. Upon accepting the offer, you'll pay the premium, which is typically a small percentage of the total bond amount, often between 1% and 5%. Your official Fidelity bond will then be issued and sent to you electronically or by mail. Remember to keep track of its expiration date and understand the renewal process to maintain continuous coverage, ensuring your business remains compliant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.